Angie. Today I am coming at you with a Halloween look. It is finally October, and that means Halloween looks are popping up everywhere. I love Halloween. I feel like we're waiting all year for it to come, and then it comes and I have no idea what I'm going to be. Having this channel is really cool because I get to do all the looks that I want to do for Halloween on here and share it with all you guys. Today I am Art the Clown from the movie Terrifier. I recently saw this movie and I fucking fell in love with it. The movie centers around a homicidal clown. He is an awesome character. Many people will agree that he is on his way to icon status. He's going to join the ranks with Freddy and Michael and Jason and all the rest. So if you want to see how I turned into Art the Clown, please keep on watching. Guys, so this is the completed look. It's so fucking cool. I love this makeup. The best part being these fucking gnarly ass teeth. Oh my god. I mean, when you apply that white base onto your skin, it makes your teeth look so yellow. Like, I was shook at how yellow my teeth look. I was like, I don't think I'm going to even need the teeth stain. But if you can get your hands on some tooth stain, I highly recommend it. I think they are so fun for transforming your Halloween looks, just taking them up to that next level. It's so easy to use and it doesn't taste bad. There's nothing like weird going on with my teeth. I'll let you know how it cleans. Hopefully I don't have this smile for the rest of the month. Actually, this would be okay, right? This would be okay if it's like this for the rest of the month. But yeah, I absolutely adore this look. I feel super creepy living and dying and murdering for this. If you guys enjoyed this transformation, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already. And remember to click that bell notification so you can get notified every single time I make a video. And if you have any suggestions for what you would like to see this Halloween, please leave a comment below. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.